In what seems like an optimistic end to 2021, South Africa, where the Omicron variant was detected, has declared that the infection peak is over.
According to the experts, Omicron has reached the peak. Having reached the peak with clinical manifestations that have not caused any alarm in the hospital situation. In the minds or based on the experts, the conditions do allow that we lift the curfew. And I've already explained some of the key demands in the country, creating a situation where every opportunity that allows us to open up for economy, we take advantage of that.
According to the data, the country's Omicron peak has passed without a significant increase in mortality. The data shows that the overall case counts in South Africa have decreased by 30% in the last 2 weeks. On an average, the country has been recording fewer than 11,500 infections per day. The recovery rate stands at nearly 92%, with the fatality rate around 2.6%. At a time when several European countries are reimposing restrictions, South Africa has lifted its midnight curfew amid pressure from the hospitality sector. Owners had been launching online petitions asking the President Cyril Ramaphosa to relax the pandemic restrictions ahead of the new year. Apart from lifting the midnight curfew, alcohol outlets would also be permitted after 11 p.m. However, the mask mandate will continue in the public spaces. Public gatherings are limited to 1,000 people indoors and 2,000 outdoors. The government stressed the need for caution and vaccination. Meanwhile, more than 5 million lives have been lost across the world due to COVID-19. The World Health Organization has warned of a tsunami of cases in the coming days. Our correspondent Calvin Ongmu has sent us this report from Johannesburg. Take a look.
It all started in November when South Africa announced discovery of new COVID-19 variant Omicron. Most countries were quick to add South Africa to their travel ban list, causing panic and chaos. However, only a few weeks later, South Africa has been able to flatten its curve. South Africa's Department of Health has reported a 29.7% decrease in the number of new cases detected in the week ending 25th December, which has led the government to ease the restrictions and lift nighttime curfew. The government announced the country may have passed the peak of the fourth wave at a national level as new cases and hospitalizations declined in almost all provinces. According to the WHO's data, a total of about 6.5 million cases were detected between December 22nd and 28th worldwide. More than half of the infections have been in Europe, where several countries have reported record daily numbers. This is Calvin Ongmu from Limpopo, South Africa for WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.